Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily connect your new car's Bluetooth. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked, perhaps in a driveway or lot with the engine on. Take a moment to check your car's infotainment screen or consult its user manual, as specific steps can vary slightly between models. Also, ensure your smartphone is fully charged and within arm's reach for a smooth pairing experience. This preparation ensures everything runs perfectly. Next, let's activate Bluetooth on both devices. On your car's display, find the Settings or Phone menu. It's usually quite prominent. Once there, select the Bluetooth option and confirm it is enabled. Simultaneously, open your smartphone settings, locate the Bluetooth menu, and switch it on. Your phone will then begin searching for nearby devices, including your car, in just a few moments. Now for the actual pairing. On your smartphone's Bluetooth screen, you should see your car's name appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it. Almost instantly, your car's display will show a pairing request or a verification code, often a 4-digit or 6-digit number. Carefully enter this exact number into your phone when prompted. This confirms both devices are authorized to connect. You'll know it's connected when both your car's display and your smartphone show a confirmation message, like connected or a specific Bluetooth icon. Your phone's Bluetooth symbol will typically turn solid or display a small car icon. To verify everything is working, try playing a song or making a quick phone call. The sound should seamlessly transfer to your car's speakers, providing excellent audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.